In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted Instagram account after 30 days, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com/support and click on search. Okay, now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens. Then tap on manage your account. Select the first option, then scroll down, and in front of was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you deleted your Instagram account and now you want to recover it. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have given in description below. At the end of the paragraph, don't forget to write the username of the deleted Instagram account. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.